Hi friends, welcome to Job A9. Today I'm sharing a great opportunity for software development engineer in Hyderabad. Let's see the details. Job details. The drive by Algo University for a product-based company in Hyderabad. Walkin interview details are 21st September from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Jawaharlal Nehru Auditorium, JNTU, Kukatpally, Hyderabad. There are 40 vacancies with a salary package of 6 to 16 LPA. Coming to eligibility criteria, experience required is freshers or 5 years experience. Must have skills in C programming, good to have Java, Python, data structures, algorithms, and full stack knowledge. Experience in database and cloud platforms is a added advantage. And note that the shortlisted candidates only. This walk-in drive is for shortlisted candidates only. They will inform on WhatsApp after reviewing your profile. Note that one. Mhm. This is about the opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. All details and the links are in description. For more job updates, please like, share, and subscribe to Job Unite. All the best.